Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Here we are going to learn about the internal function in Kotlin. This is a new concept in Kotlin. No other language supports this kind of function. In Java, we do not have an internal function facility, but in Kotlin we have. So first of all, we are creating a main method here, this main function. Then we are going to create another function called fun, and the function name is message. Okay, so this is a function message. In this function, we are creating an internal function. It's called my message, my private message. Okay, and here we are printing the message that is private, and this is internal function of message function. Okay, we have we have created this. Now we are calling this method private message like this, and in main method we are calling message. You see, we create a message from my function. Internal inside the message, we create a my private message function. Then we are calling this my function. Here we are calling message MSG. And if you run this, it will display this is internal function of MSG function. And this is not this file. This is internal function file. So run from here the internal function file. Okay, this is the internal function of MSG function. So you see this. But if I call this my private message function, so this function cannot be called outside because this is inside of this MSG. The scope of this method is only within this MSG function, not outside the MSG function. So this function cannot be called here. This is wrong. Cannot be called here. But this function can be called any number of time inside the MSG. Like see. Two time we have called. So this is a unique feature in Kotlin. Create an internal function, means function within a function. This is not supported in other languages. Okay, bye. See you in next lecture.